You ready?
Here we go.
Let's go.
Oh wow. Do you know what? These micro warbirds do not typically take off on grass. Got a loop all day long, it's easy. Oh my god! Dom and Sam here for another flight test. It's a beautiful summer here in the UK. At last, we're having quite a good year this year, aren't we?
We are so far.
So far we are. Some really nice warm days and a little bit of breeze, which is keeping us cool. But what are we reviewing today? We've got there's a couple of new micro aeroplanes from FMS that have just come out. This is the PA-18. They've also come out with a T-28. Now, there's quite a lot of competition in this space, I would say. Mini micro warbirds, I've reviewed a huge number, and you've even helped me out with a few of those flight tests in the past. And the quality of them these days is very good. They're stabilised, have 3 different flight modes, have a trick or a stunt button as well. So even in the hands of a complete beginner, they are absolutely fantastic and easy to fly. So this has PA-18 from FMS has got a lot to live up to. All you need are 4 AA's, of which I have a huge number of rechargeables, so we're going to use those. And I'm going to give Sam here the responsibility of this flight test. I allowed you to marry my daughter, so the next step, the next step up in my level of trust is to let you fly this PA-18. Sam, I'm sure you are up to it.
We shall see.
We've been flying this morning. It's been beautiful. I've been flying a lot, and you've even flown some of my FPV planes. So I think this is the next step. All right. So we'll take it out of the box. We'll show you what's in the box, and then we'll get it in the sky. Okay. To show you what we get in the box, we've obviously got the instructions. The stickers on the plane are red, but what they give you unusually in the box is also a set of blue ones. Should you get tired of the red ones, you could peel those off and put these on. Never seen that before, but hey, I'm not gonna complain at that. Right, let's get that bit of foam out of the way. Show you the plane itself. That's the PA-18 in this red scheme. All the control surfaces are hooked up, the motor's installed, so is the prop. Would note there are no spare propellers in the box, which is a bit disappointing, but let's hope this propeller is very durable. The landing gear needs to be installed, that's there. We've got the battery and a USB charge lead. What have we got in that little bag there, Sam? Oh, that's a tail wheel. Now the wheels are actually quite big for a mini warbird. That's good. And then we've got the radio transmitter, which has got 3 different flight modes and a red stunt button and the sticks and the trims on and on off switch. That's it. So we're going to put some AA's in this. We're going to put the landing gear on the PA-18 and we'll be ready to fly.
Brilliant.
Back in a mo. Okay, all ready to go, Sam?
I think so.
So we put 4 AA's in the radio transmitter, and I've got the flight battery here, which I charged up at home with the provided USB lead. So now the other thing with this, which we do want to demonstrate, is this apparently has a stunt button, which is the red button top left, and what is classically known on most radio transmitters as the elevator trim switch slider. There is what you use to set up the return to home function, which is not, if you read in the manual, I don't know, I wouldn't call it return to home. It's more you set the direction on the ground before you take off, and then when you use that return to home feature, it will turn 180 degrees and fly back to you.
That's a 180 button.
It's a 180 button. It's not an RTH button really, because if you were Yeah, we'll demonstrate it. I don't think it might be good if you're flying in that particular direction, but not in other directions. Anyway, so I've got the battery here. Sam, you take that, put the radio down maybe, and you need to turn on the. Get my shadow out of the way. So turn your radio on first, I think.
Radio on, throttle down. Getting attacked by the wind flag in the top.
It doesn't tell you in the manual the orientation it goes in. Oh, there you go.
I assumed it slid down the fuselage, but no, straight in.
Straight in, straight down.
Yep.
Okay. And it's plugged in. Right, so put it on the ground. Level. Okay, now the manual says to set up the return tone feature, show us the transmitter. You do that up.
Hold it for 1 second.
And I think I heard the rudder move,
Indeed.
which indicates that it has set that up.
Yeah.
Now we've got it pointing outwards that way, which means if we're flying out that way, it will come back 180 degrees. Yes, towards that kite. Beautiful bird of prey out there. Could just film that for a few minutes, but I won't do.
Into a nature film.
Yeah, turn it into a nature documentary. Okay, so you've done that, and the stunt button, you basically would click that and then use the right stick and the orientation you want to perform the stunt, yes?
Yep.
Right, now it's got fairly big wheels, so we're going to try and take off the ground. Do you want to have a go?
Yep. We go for it.
Not from here.
Not from here.
We've got to put it on the patch. It's like taking off from the taxiway, like Harrison Ford did.
Yes.
Right, now which way's the wind? This is the other thing. We want to take off into wind.
Okay. I'll move around that way then.
So we're not going to test the return tone button
Just
quite yet. So we're taking off that way.
There's the transmitter.
Oh, before you
need
take
to-
off, the mode.
The mode on the right switch.
Yes,
You have fully stabilised if it's towards you,
optimised.
optimised, and then fully manual all the way
Yes,
down.
and we don't want that. So I think let's start with the middle position.
Middle position?
Yes.
Go for that.
And then you have to go on the left stick up, down to arm. Remember?
No, I don't remember.
The left stick. Yeah, you've armed it now, so the throttle should work. There you go.
Okay. Cool. You ready?
Here we go.
Let's go.
Oh wow. Do you know what? These micro warbirds do not typically take off on grass.
Oh no.
It's down.
I'm not a good pilot, am I?
Yeah, but this is what this model was all about.
It is.
Learning. And getting fit by running around picking it up.
That's the problem where I don't fly a line of sight
You don't, you're an FPV pilot, aren't you?
and I can't get my left and right.
Oh, orientation.
Yeah.
All right, so the propellers come off, which is a feature of all these. They pop off if they hit the ground. That's the good thing. You wouldn't want it to bend the shaft or snap, would you? So it's made to click back on. Anyway, I was quite impressed with how it took off.
Didn't take much long to.
Right, so do you want me to teach you about left and right?
Go for it. What are your words of wisdom?
Left is left, righty righty.
Thanks.
Give it another go.
We'll arm it by putting the left analog stick up and down, and then with the arm, there it is.
Yeah, come on then. Oh, another good takeoff.
Oh no.
What? What did
We get you to do a flying demonstration in a second.
Well, what did you do?
I don't know, I tried to bank and I tried to pull up on the...
Well, if you bank, you have to pull the stick back as well.
I did.
I did.
Obviously not my fault.
Obviously. All right, so put the propeller back. Try a nice gentle flight Here we go. Loop. Roll. Yeah, nice. Got a loop all day long, it's easy. Nice. Right, let's try this return to home feature. Ready? Yeah, it works all right. Oh my God! It actually stayed on its wheels. Get off! Ladybird. There we go. There we go. FMS PA-18. I think this is a little bit of a breeze. I thought it flew quite well actually. Really stable, which you'd expect from something with a high wing. Particularly with the stunt button, the loops were really good. And the return to home works really well, although it's really just 180 degrees and come back the other direction that you set it up in. But you get everything in the box. So if you want to try out flying radio control models for the first time, then this could be your thing. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks to Sam for his help on camera and trying to fly it. I've got a long road ahead of me to teach him to fly line of sight, I think. Look, they're all over the place. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.